How can I prevent bleeding after suture removal? Imagine your wound healing smoothly without any surprises. That's what we're aiming for after suture removal. When your stitches come out, your skin is still delicate, so taking the right steps can make a big difference. First, your doctor might put on steri strips, those small adhesive strips, to help keep the wound edges together. Don't peel them off yourself. They will fall off naturally in about 2 weeks. Keeping these strips in place helps protect the wound and reduces the chance of bleeding. Next, keep the area clean and dry. You can shower about 48 hours after suture removal, but avoid soaking the wound or using harsh soaps. When washing, gently pat the area dry instead of rubbing. It's important not to pick at scabs or scratch the site because that can reopen the wound and cause bleeding. If the wound is still healing and not fully closed, cover it with a clean bandage and change it regularly. This keeps the area protected and minimizes irritation that might lead to bleeding. Applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly or a doctor-recommended ointment helps keep the wound moist. Moisture prevents the skin from drying out and cracking, which can cause bleeding. Be cautious with medications that thin the blood, like aspirin or certain anti-inflammatory drugs, unless your doctor says it is okay. These can increase bleeding risk. If you notice bleeding that won't stop, apply gentle but firm pressure on the area for about 15 minutes. Using an ice pack wrapped in a cloth can also help slow blood flow and reduce swelling. Watch for signs of infection such as increased redness, warmth, swelling, pus, or bleeding that persists. If you see any of these, contact your healthcare provider promptly. Finally, once your wound is fully healed, protect it from sun exposure by applying sunscreen. Sun damage can affect how your scar heals and might make it more noticeable. Remember, protecting the wound with steri strips or bandages, keeping it clean and moist, avoiding trauma, managing medications carefully, and acting quickly if bleeding occurs are the best ways to prevent bleeding after suture removal. Following these steps helps your skin heal nicely and reduces any worries about bleeding.